Hey there, paper enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of paper with 15 incredible facts that will change the way you see this everyday material. So, let's unfold the secrets of paper together. Fact 1. Ancient origins of paper. Did you know that paper was first invented in ancient China around 100 BCE during the Han Dynasty? It was originally made from mulberry bark, hemp, and rags. Fact 2. The power of recycling. Paper is one of the most recycled materials in the world. Recycling just 1 ton of paper can save 17 trees, 7,000 gallons of water, and 380 gallons of oil. Fact 3. The invention of the printing press. The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century revolutionized the production of books and spread knowledge across Europe like wildfire. Fact 4. Paper sizes standardization. The International Standard Paper Size System, known as ISO 216, includes popular sizes like A4, A5, and A6. These sizes are designed to maintain aspect ratios when halving or doubling the sheets. Fact 5. Paper folding art. Origami, the art of paper folding, originated in Japan around the 17th century. It's not just a creative pastime. It also promotes mindfulness and dexterity. Fact 6. The weight of paper. Ever wonder what 20-pound paper means? It refers to the weight of 500 sheets of that paper in a standard size. The higher the weight, the thicker and more durable the paper. Fact 7. Papyrus, ancient paper. Before modern paper, ancient civilizations used papyrus, a material made from the pith of the papyrus plant. It was widely used in Egypt and other Mediterranean regions for writing. Fact 8. The Gutenberg Bible host. The Gutenberg Bible, printed in the 1450s, was one of the first major books printed using movable type in Europe. It marked the beginning of the mass production of books. Fact 9. Paper's role in currency. Paper money dates back to 7th century China, where merchants used flying cash as a form of promissory note. Today, paper currency is an essential part of economies worldwide. Fact 10. The largest paper ball. The world's largest paper ball was created by students at the Cerritos College in California in 2014. It weighed a whopping 633 kilograms and stood over 1.5 meters tall. Fact 11. The importance of watermarks. Watermarks, translucent designs or logos embedded in paper during the manufacturing process, serve as a security feature to prevent counterfeiting of documents like passports and banknotes. Fact 12. Paper's role in art. Paper isn't just for writing. It's also a versatile medium for artists. From watercolor paintings to intricate paper-cut designs, artists around the world use paper to create stunning works of art.
Fact 13. Paper's environmental impact. While paper is recyclable, its production can have significant environmental impacts, including deforestation and water pollution. Choosing recycled or sustainably sourced paper can help mitigate these effects. Fact 14. The world's oldest surviving paper. The oldest surviving piece of paper dates back to the 2nd century CE and was discovered in China. This remarkable artifact offers insights into ancient Chinese writing and culture. Fact 15. The paperless future. With the rise of digital technology, the concept of a paperless society has gained traction. While digital documents offer convenience, paper continues to play a vital role in many aspects of our lives. And there you have it, 15 incredible facts about paper that highlight its rich history, versatility, and impact on society. Whether you're writing a letter, creating art, or printing documents, paper remains an integral part of our daily lives. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep exploring the wonders of paper.